Actually, I'm here at 8134 Coates Road Place in the gated community of University Place. New listing just came on the market, super cute. When you walk in, to the left you have a guest suite, full bath, gorgeous bedroom up there that overlooks the quiet cul-de-sac that this house is located on. The entire flooring in here, the great room area, all of the living areas in the third bedroom are all solid surface. So it's nice you don't have any carpet issues. That bedroom also has a closet in it, double French doors. You've got a dining area here. It's just an open great room floor plan. Really, really nice, casual sort of floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, $549,900. Living room area has a tray ceiling in it, lots of additional lighting. Master is off to your left in the back of the house, so it's totally private as well. You've got a really cute bright kitchen under cabinet glass block for extra lighting in here. Nice eat-in area as well. It's on a very private, super private lot. HOA fee here is $99 a month. The lanai area is extended. Step outside. It's also like super bright in this house. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but you've got a lot of light in here, and then the whole house is painted white. So it's fantastic, coming on the market today, $549,900.